Hey, what's up guys? I hope you guys are doing well. So today I have got these two brothers, which is the Poco M3 and the Poco X3. The Poco M3 is the latest mid-range smartphone which have got unique design, and also it is much cheaper than the Poco X3. So in this video we are gonna do speed test comparison between both of them to see the gaming performance of the Poco M3 against the Poco X3. So if you guys are thinking to buy any of them specially for gaming, then this video is definitely for you. So without any further ado, let's get into it. As always, kicking things off with the Bootup test, and 3, 2, 1. Now let's talk about some basic specifications. So on the Poco M3 we have got Snapdragon 662 chipset and 4 gigs of RAM, while on the Poco X3 we have got Snapdragon 732G chipset and 6 gigs of RAM. The Poco X3 have got higher RAM and better specifications than the Poco M3. So let's see, and you can see the first boot up test won by the Poco X3, and the Poco M3 was right behind, and I think it was around 3 to 4 second difference in a first boot up test, which is a huge difference. Now you guys can see I have installed nearly the same applications, and with the help of these apps we are gonna see the gaming performance of the Poco M3 against the Poco X3. So before starting the speed test, you guys can see everything is completely turned off, and also both of them have got the same Wi-Fi connection. So starting from some light applications, and the first one is going to be phone dialer. Well, you can see this one goes to the X3, and again this one goes to the Poco X3. Camera, well, you can see it was again quicker there on the Poco X3. Now coming to the third-party applications to see the real difference between the Poco M3 and the Poco X3. Welcome back guys. So it was a gaming test comparison between the Poco M3 and the Poco X3, and as you guys saw here the gaming performance of both of them, I am just impressed by the gaming performance of the Poco M3 because The Poco X3 is much expensive, but still the Poco M3 played very well in some applications. Now I am so confused between both of them, so I would like to know your thoughts in the comment section about both of them. Okay guys, so it was all from us for today. Make sure to subscribe and give a thumbs up to this video. Thanks for watching us, and we'll see you in my next video.